Hello learners and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. In today's video, we are going to learn to draw a circumcircle of a triangle. A circumcircle is a circle which passes from all three vertices of a triangle. So I have sketched a rough triangle over here, and a circle which will be passing from all three vertices of the triangle is called as the circumcircle. Every time whenever you construct any geometrical construction, it is helpful to draw a rough sketch of the construction that we are going to make. Here we are going to first construct triangle ABC. So this is what my rough sketch of triangle ABC looks like. AB is 6 cm, BC is 6.5 cm. This I have taken as a base of the triangle because BC is the longest side of the triangle, and usually whenever we construct a triangle, we keep the longest side as the base, and AC is 5 cm. And I have just roughly sketched a circle which is passing from all three vertices. So to begin the construction of circumcircle, first what I have to do, I have to construct this triangle ABC. How to do that? Step number 1 involves construction of the base of the triangle, which is 6.5 cm. You will place a ruler on the paper and measure the distance 6.5 cm. Draw a line segment, label it as BC, 6.5 cm. After this construction is done, the next step that you have to do is construct side BA and CA. How do we do that? Side BA is measuring 6 cm. So now take the distance of 6 cm in the compass. Place it on point B and make an arc above. Next is construction of side CA, which is 5 cm. So take the distance 5 cm in the compass and then place it on point C and make an arc above. Wherever the two arcs intersect, that is point A. When I join the point A and B, I construct side AB of the triangle, which is 6 cm, and side AC of the triangle, which is 5 cm. We can call this side as AB or BA, it's one and the same thing, and AC and CA is also one and the same thing. After the triangle is constructed, the next part is the construction of the circumcircle. To do that, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of any two sides out of the three sides of the triangle. So you can select any two sides of your choice and then construct a perpendicular bisector on those two sides. I have selected side AB and BC for this construction. So firstly, I will be constructing a perpendicular bisector on side BC. For that, I have to take the more than half distance of BC, construct an arc above, construct an arc below, place the pointed side on the other point of the side, construct an arc up, arc below. Wherever the two arcs are intersecting, highlight those points a little bit and join. So this is my first perpendicular bisector on line BC. After that, I will construct the second perpendicular bisector on side AB. Again, for that I have to take more than half distance of AB. After taking more than half distance, make one arc above, make one arc below. Next, keep the pointed side on the other point. Make an arc above, make an arc below. Now my two arcs here have not intersected, so I will again extend this arc a little bit in such a way that both the arcs intersect. After the arcs have intersected, these two end points I have to highlight a bit and then join them to complete the construction of perpendicular bisector. Now this is perpendicular bisector on side AB. After constructing this much, you have to mark the point where the two perpendicular bisectors on BC and AB are intersecting each other. So this is the point where this particular perpendicular on AB and this particular perpendicular on BC are intersecting each other. Then after you got this point of intersection, keep your pointed side of the compass on this point and then take the distance, one of the vertices of the triangle. After you have taken this much distance in your compass, which is between the point of intersection of the two perpendicular bisector and one of the vertices of the triangle, place the pointed side here on this particular point firmly and then start to draw a circle. This is the circle which is passing from all three vertices A, B and C of the triangle that we had constructed. This is how we construct a circumcircle to a given triangle. So firstly you have to construct the triangle and then use these methods to construct the circumcircle. I hope you find this video very helpful to understand the steps involved in construction of circumcircle. Stay tuned on my channel for more such amazing concept videos. Till then, bye bye.